What's up guys, Tech Chef here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an internal hard disk as an external one. A lot of us are upgrading our machines these days thanks to the falling prices of SSDs, but usually we replace our old mechanical hard disks and forget about them, especially if you're upgrading your laptops, because we can't keep both of them. Also, if you've upgraded your mechanical hard drives to bigger capacity and have an old one lying around, this video is for you. Let's get started. For those of you who don't know what a SATA port is, this right here is the SATA port. It is used to connect your hard drive to the motherboard of your computer. Let's look at what we have in the box right here. First, the USB cable. Note that it's a USB Type 3 cable. This is the enclosure. Note that this is a 2.5 inch enclosure, but you'll also get this in a 3.5 inch size, which is the full size hard disk. Let's have a look at it. This is the 3.0 connector yet again. Rest is nothing. It has a soft rubberized feel to it, kind of like the original Moto G. Let's open it. This right here is the SATA port again. So we take the hard disk, put it inside and slide it just enough for it to connect to the SATA port. Not much, we don't have to break it. Slide the cover back up. And there you have it. Your external hard drive is ready for use. Now one thing I can't stress enough is it's important to buy a USB 3.0 connector type enclosure. Don't buy a 2.0 casing. The speed of transfer is terrible. I bought this one before. The speed was terrible. I'll put in the speed difference between the two next. So here we have it. An old unused hard drive is now a useful USB 3.0 500GB external hard drive. Let's connect it to an iMac and see if it works. This is the hard drive right here. As you can see, it connects almost immediately. The 500GB hard drive. I'm using it for time machine backup now. So that's it guys. If you have any comments or questions, drop it down in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. I'll catch you in the next one.